Hello friends, welcome to our channel Blind to Visionaries Trust. I, Dr. T.K. Bansal, is thrilled to have you with us. Our channel is dedicated to raising awareness and promoting advancements in assistive technology, especially for the visually impaired community. I am delighted to share with you that, during our visit to Mahakumbh 2025 at Prayagraj, Acharya Ramchandra Das ji presented us with an incredible opportunity of meeting the Honorable former President of India, Shree Ram Nath Kovind ji. This was a truly remarkable experience and was highly inspiring to connect with someone who has played such an important role in the growth of our great nation. During our conversation, I had the pleasure of introducing him to the innovative white cane equipped with both a rolling ball and a rolling marshmallow. These specially designed canes not only assist visually impaired with navigation but also significantly enhance the mobility and confidence of visually impaired individuals. I explained how the rolling ball detects obstacles and dips at the ground level in the outdoor environments, while the rolling marshmallow helps us with surface detection indoors, thereby ensuring greater safety and independence to the visually impaired users. It was incredibly rewarding to share this technology with him and see his genuine interest in its potential impact. Besides, my colleague, Dr. Naveen Gupta, a senior eye surgeon and gold medalist, also explained his valuable contributions to the visually impaired community to the Honorable former President. Additionally, we explained about the importance of screen-readable science and math books that the blind students can access directly on their mobile phone or laptops. With the help of these books, we could get more than 12 students into prestigious engineering institutes. Honorable former President, Shree Ram Nath Kovind ji, expressed immense appreciation for our work and the advancements in assistive technologies, which was truly encouraging for us. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be part of our community dedicated to making information and opportunities accessible for all. Until then, enjoy the video, and thank you for your support.
आप डॉक्टर बंसल हैं, आइए। प्रोफेसर बंसल, आप कहाँ बेस्ड यहाँ पर आने दो, यहाँ सब कुछ